This is Donnie Lewis, Rat Rods, 2 Lanes, and Neon. If you've been following me, hope you do. We blew the rear end out of Frankenstein. The old 9-inch gave up the ghost after about 9 years of drag racing on it. It happened about, I don't know, 16 miles from home. So we drove it home. Every now and then it sounded like ice in a blender. Hey, I drive it. Still sitting here on the old jack stands. Yeah, no, the converter ain't out of Frankenstein's too big. It's going bye-bye. We're selling it, but yeah, he's still on the old jack stand trail. See that red jug over there? The red jug under there? Yeah, you see that? There's a stick beside the red jug over there. The red jug's full of gas. That's a piece of 3/4 inch veneer, about the length of an axle. And I'm wrapping rags around it, pouring gas on them, and shoving them through the axle. I've probably made 10 to 12 trips through each tube. You know what it still looks like? Yeah, see that? That's not salt. That's still metal coming out of it. After 10 or 12 trips through. So, I'm gonna go take that red jug over there beside that stick right there, fill it up with some more gas. I think I've run like 3 gallons through it. It's gotta be clean, boys. If it ain't clean, you're wasting your time. It's got to be clean. So I'll pour gas on some more rags. I actually ran out, had to go buy some more. Then I sent my wife to buy some more. We double them up, soak them in gas, and I shove them through there and twist them. That's my day. Yeah, it's about 46, 48 degrees. Oh, it may be 50 now. It's warmed up a tad bit. That's okay. Door still ain't down. Still out here. Laying here, looking at my other garage under Frankenstein. See all the leaves are gone. It's definitely mid-November. But I'm just gonna lay here, keep shoving the old veneer 3/4 inch through there. With rags all over it. It's crazy. The metal's in this thing, but you don't get it clean, you're wasting time. That metal's gonna get in stuff, and that's bad. I mean, it's got to be clean because I don't want a repeat of that. That's the front one that takes all the thrust, you know, right where your dry shaft yoke goes. You can see how hard I've been hitting him. But I've got a bearing in the box for the pocket bearing, which goes in the little hole. Supports your pinion right there. And I've got some other ones ordered. There's still a little bit of a problem getting parts. Unless you want Chinese stuff, and I don't. I want American-made bearings and races, and preferably the Timken units. So that's okay. He'll sit here for a little bit under his covers on jack stands. So, till next time, this is Donnie Lewis for Rat Rods, 2 Lanes, and Neon here at the House of Frankenstein. Shoving rags through his 9-inch Ford housing with a piece of 3/4 inch veneer soaked in gas, cleaning it. But remember, if you can drive them, drive them.